Replace your income and do a side hustle that will free up your time. I'm not selling products. I am helping people to improve their lives. My name is Henning. I'm from South Africa. In 2024, my vehicle broke down. I didn't have money to fix it. I was looking to do something online and I didn't want to have a second job. I stumbled upon the Legacy Builders program, which taught me how to use social media platforms to attract my perfect customer. I didn't have to know anything about a website, a funnel, automation, or anything like that. However, this business I follow step by step and I got taught how to use the social media, how to create content, put it on there, and then get my perfect customer. It also helped me, which I love, 2 hours a day of work that you put in and you create content. You do advertising. The normal traditional way of marketing is no more available. We're all doing digital and the e-learning industry is booming at the moment. This taught me how to make money online. I follow a blueprint step by step, and you will be successful. You're selling products that are in high demand and you've got the resale rights. You make 100% profit. This is all automated. So while you sleep, globally, whoever buys from you will land onto your website and they will purchase immediately and you'll get paid immediately, not over a week or a month. So if you want to know more, put more in the comments and I'll be happy to send you the information so you can have a better life.